Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So let me start off with this. So I'm not buying Hot Wheels anymore. So I'm not even getting anything nowadays. Even if I'm getting only the high priced ones. That is really worthless. I mean, some of my shops, where I used to buy, they just, they keep on sharing this Mario Kart and the Toy Story, these kind of things, leaving out the, important ones. So, most probably I won't be buying any Hot Wheels anymore unless or until someone calls me and tells me, there are Hot Wheels and you can come and buy for MRP without any constraints, then I will be buying that. So I am not ready to waste money on premiums or even there is the one segment above premium now that, character versions which cost somewhere around 600 and the second version I think which is around 800 rupees. Honestly, I don't really like those. It is not really worth that money. The quality is not even good. So I won't be able to do videos on daily basis because of this reason. So I will be doing like maybe videos on alternate days like Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So that's what I'm planning now. So I really need your support on these kind of things because it really costs huge amount of money to search everything and buy everything. And I mean, I really don't even have space at my home right now. So it went to that, I came to a saturation point right now. So then and there itself I decided I'm not going to buy any Hot Wheels, even Matchbox, and for that matter Majorette I will think about it because if I'm paying like 300 or so, they're giving that particular level of quality at least, instead of just like doing some kind of shit painting like Hot Wheels did, more specifically the last week's unbox if you guys remember. So Majorette I will put some concentrate a little bit, that too if I'm getting something new, not the repeats. And apart from that, I am planning just to go with only premiums. That was my original intention when I started this channel, just some buy some premium models, just do some videos maybe once or twice a week. So that's what my original intention was. But since people started asking about Hot Wheels, so I started doing that on daily basis. Even if I didn't do that, people started asking me why I'm not doing on daily basis. So just for that reason, I used to roam around a lot, spend a lot of time with throughout Chennai and other cities. And it is really exhausting now. I'm 36 now and I really don't have that much energy nowadays, completing my night shift. And then uh, Saturday is the only day I can spend with my family. But this is Saturday night, I'm going to do videos for next 3 weeks or 4 weeks because I'm having some personal work. From next week onwards I won't be able to do video on a week on week basis. So if I'm a full-time YouTuber, then that's something different. I will definitely do even more than one videos per day. So right now YouTube is, I'm not even getting like what I'm saying, how I can say, not even 50% of what I'm spending on monthly basis from YouTube. So so I will keep on doing reviews, but it is not going to be only on Hot Wheels or Matchbox on daily basis, that too. So I'm going to do reviews on whatever I'm having right now. So I'm having a lot of premium brands I'm talking about. I'm not talking about Hot Wheels premiums. I do have some Hot Wheels premiums, like which I bought long back. I when I visited Malaysia or Muscat or Dubai, these kind of countries, I did buy some premiums at that point of time, but I didn't even unbox it. And a lot of other scales also, like one is to 43, one is to 36, one is to 24, one is to 18. So I will be unboxing all these scales as well. So stay tuned for everything. So with that said, I know I taken a lot of time at this point. So we are going to unbox 3 cars as of now for this week. So let me start with this. So this is a Lamborghini Countach LB400S. This is by Majorette. So I'm not sure how many of you actually saw my older videos. If you're a OG follower of this channel, I mean, you guys might know right now I did unbox this twice. One is literally sitting here inside, that is the yellow one. Both are same, only difference being this is in blue color and I think it's a Canada flag if I'm not wrong. I don't know which country flag is that, but there is a flag right there. That yellow one doesn't have that. But apart from that, the casting wise and everything is literally the same. And we did unbox one in racing edition. It had some Majorette livery, so that I unboxed from my native. That thumbnail itself is a little bit different that time. So I do have like 3 of this right now. So this one I'm planning to keep it in my actual car because my car is blue color, so this matches with that one. Okay, so with that said, let's move on to the next one. Here's the second one, the Chevy Corvette Stingray. So I don't remember major, putting out this casting in 2023 or even in 2024. So uh, the moment I saw this, I immediately took this. It was only one at the time in the pack. I bought it from this shop. You can see here. So this is a supermarket actually. These are throughout Chennai. I think there are like 4 or 5 branches as far as I remember. So you will be able to get there for a pretty decent discount as also. So let's move on to the last one. So this one is the Chase actually. So this is a Ford F-150 Raptor. This is actually pretty heavy, even with in this particular uh, like blister case. So there is one Raptor we have right there. That is a blue one that came during I think 2023, start of 2023. That is the Neon tune-up series. So that's where I bought that. I do have a Raptor that is a monster truck. So I don't know where I kept that, but I do have that. So these three we will be unboxing. But let me see if I'm having strength to do more videos this week. I will be adding one or two, at least one. But let's see. Let's only the time can tell. It's around like 11:30 right now at night. So it depends upon when I am actually ending the original set of videos which I planned. So if I have time after that, I will be adding couple more videos on top of this. So honestly right now I need your support more than ever, guys. So that's, I mean, end of the day it's up to you whether you are going to support or not, but I can ask, that's it. So I'm asking, so rest is up to you guys. So that's it. With that said, I'm ending this video for this week. Stay tuned for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.